Guys, today we're testing Sheglam. And why? Because I want to know if those products are actually worth the hype. Let's go. Guys, today we're trying Sheglam for the first time. Let's see how it looks. Guys, I need to say that I ordered 2 packets and one of them just arrived. So I'm going to do part A and B of the Sheglam testing series. Hopefully you guys enjoy both of them. Let's see, I honestly don't even know what is here. So let's open the first one. Ooh, we're going to be opening. It's called Snatch and the Fine Stick by Sheglam. Guys, please, just good vibes on this video. So please, drop a like. So here we have it. It's Sheglamers. Let's see. So it's smaller than I thought, honestly. I was expecting something much bigger, but maybe it's me that I like it bigger. It was... Ooh, it looks pretty, guys. Look at this. Ooh, it reminds me to Kim Kardashian kind of makeup. Look how this looks. It's super cute. Actually, I love the packaging. It's super cute. Let's open this. So you have the stick over here. I'm not sure if I got my color. I got the golden sun color. I don't know if this is my color, but well, I'm going to give it a go. And this is basically a contouring stick that I'm going to try on my face right now because I look so pale. Look at here. Oh, it comes with a little mini brush just to use it with your contour. That's so cute. So we're going to give it a go. I'm so excited for this. So satisfying. I'm just going to apply it over here a little bit. Ooh, can't really see myself. I'm just doing this on camera, so I'm going to apply it here as well. I was trying to get a color that is not really that for me. I'm not sure if I chose the right one. Okay, there it is. Let's apply a little bit here. And I would like a little bit, yes, here. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to use their contouring stick. Sorry, I need to look at the other side because if not, it's super difficult to do this. Not sure if it's giving me the look I was going for. I'm going to use my brush and tap, 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 tap. I think that this looks better on the mirror than on camera, but hey, hopefully you get the vibe. I just ran out to my room. I wanted to see actually how it looks like on my bedroom, and it actually looks really cute. It gives you this goldy bronze color. Guys, I actually like it a lot. Sorry if the camera is not picking it up, but 100% recommend it. I like it. I don't know if it's going to last. I will let you know in the next video. Let's see what's next. Guys, I'm so happy I got a lip combo. Let's try it because I'm looking pale and I don't like it. That's the packaging that comes in. I'm just trying this. It says the Glam 101 lipstick and liner duo. Let's see how it works. Okay, somehow I was expecting 2 things and I got one. This one. So this is how it looks. Again, reminds me a lot to the packaging that Kim Kardashian uses. And let's see how it works. So here we have the lip liner. Oh, look at that. Again, the camera is not really reflecting. Anyway, let's try it. So we'll go like that. Okay, that's so creamy. Like that. I love doing my makeup on the camera. I might end up looking like a clown, but that's okay. Disregard that. We're just trying the products. You know why? Because I like cheap products and I want to find the best ones for me because the world is getting expensive. So let's see. Looks quite brown on me. Super creamy, super easy to apply. I like that. And let's see the lipstick. This is how it looks like. Brownish as well. I think I got it darker than I should have. Let's see. Let's try this. I was just looking for the perfect nude color. I don't know if this is for me, but let's try it. Guys, it's super creamy. I don't know if this color really suits me. I feel like I want to put something on top of it, but honestly, it feels really good. Obviously, I don't know for how long will it stay on you. I need to try it. I will come back to you with that one, but give it a go, guys, and tell me what you guys think of it. I'm going to put something on top of it just because I think that this color does not match with me, and I will be back in a sec. I'm back, guys. I think it looks better. At least that's my opinion. So let's review the next product. I'm really excited for this one. This is the Sheglam Color Bloom Liquid Blush. Let's see how it feels. So let's open it. I'm having trouble opening absolutely everything, guys. So I might need to fight with it. Ooh. Look at this one, guys. I have seen everybody using this one, and I haven't tried. So this is my turn. So exciting. Look how cute is this. It's so pretty. It's like little strawberry. I'm so excited for this one, guys. You can't imagine. Ooh, wow. I think I got the wrong color. Ooh la. I'm going to go for one. Ooh. This is not my color. Not bad though. Let's do another though. Let's blend, 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 blend. I look alive though, guys. That's a win. Let's do this side. Ooh, so pinky. No idea, honestly, if I would repurchase this product, at least not in this color. I really like it. The application is easy, it blends beautifully, it doesn't dry quick, which is really, really positive, but I don't think this is my color. Even though I'm extremely happy because I don't look dead anymore, so I think I really like the products that I have tried, at least until now. But I left the best for the end. So look what I got here, guys. So excited. Packaging. This is, listen closely, the Sunkist Body Highlighter. Let's see how it works. I really wanted to try this one because I have seen really good reviews on this one. So let's see how it looks. Looks so beautiful. I think I already love it. Let's try it. Shake, shake, shake. Ooh la. Wow. What is this? Chambray like diamond. Guys, look at this. Can you see it's full of sparkles there? So amazing for the summertime. For those first summer times when you go to a terrace with your friends and there is a little bit of breeze with a beautiful dinner. Oh my god, I can already picture it. Somebody take me to Greece. But guys, those were all the products for today. Sadly, the other ones, they didn't come on time. But honest review, love this one. On real life, this contouring looks so natural. But it makes you look like you're just sun-kissed and you came from Greece. So honestly, 100% recommended as well. Packaging, 10 out of 10. In regards to the lipstick, look, it's not my color, but application was so easy, so creamy, like feels like battery, and I will repurchase. Obviously I want to try and see how it stays throughout the whole day. This one, sadly not my color. I don't know why I got the pink one. I was maybe probably half asleep when I ordered it, but I think it's super cute, the packaging. I might try it again, mix it with another blush. Really easy to apply, it doesn't dry, it blends super good, 100% recommend. And this one, guys, amazing. If you're planning your summer vacation right now, please get one of those and just look like a goddess. Overall, I'm so surprised with the quality of these products. I was not really thinking that they will be so good. So I'm so happy to have found them because obviously we are all looking for budget-friendly makeup, and I think this is a great buy. I will be having a part B of this video, as I said, just because my other package didn't arrive, so that's a good excuse to make a part B. Please leave a comment below if you have tried those products. Let me know what you guys think of them, and also let me know what you want me to review next. And no guys, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a person like you that enjoys makeup and is looking always for affordable makeup. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Love you.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.